Hello! Welcome to my channel, guys. Do you also want to make wealth and want to become a millionaire in early age? Then you are at right place. Make sure to watch the video till the end to gain utmost wealth. And if you like the knowledge that I am sharing, then please make sure to subscribe. So let's dive into the video.
1. Start a business. Starting your own business is one of the most effective ways to become a millionaire by your 20s. Identify a gap in the market, create a product or service to fill that gap, and market it effectively to generate revenue. 2. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is a great way to grow your wealth. Start by learning the basics of investing, then research stocks and invest in companies that you believe will perform well over time. 3. Real estate investing. Real estate can be a very lucrative investment, especially if you buy properties in up-and-coming areas. Consider starting with a small property and gradually building up your real estate portfolio. 4. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money and build up your skills. Offer your services as a freelancer on platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, and gradually build up your client base. 5. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on topics that you are knowledgeable about. This is a great way to share your expertise with others and generate passive income. 6. Social media marketing. If you're good at marketing on social media, offer your services to businesses and individuals who need help with their social media strategy. This can be a very lucrative niche. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. Identify a niche that you are passionate about and find products that you believe in and are willing to promote. 8. YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel and monetizing your videos through ads and sponsorships can be a great way to earn money and build your personal brand. 9. Cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum can be a high-risk, high-reward investment opportunity. Research the market thoroughly before investing. 10. Create a mobile app. If you have programming skills, create a mobile app that solves a problem or fills a gap in the market. With the right marketing, a successful app can generate significant revenue.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more such videos.